Yesterday, I went long and I literally made a video talking about how I longed Bitcoin at 84. Right now, my long is actually in a huge amount of profit. I'm going to talk about my next best trade and how Bitcoin can actually go higher to 97K. Because as you can see, guys, just to make it quite quick video right now for you, we just got done with the weekend show and I literally spoke about how Bitcoin has been going up. I made a video yesterday, guys, a quick video without even editing, talking about Bitcoin and how I longed Bitcoin at 84. As you can see, this is the title and the video. I spoke about it for only 3 minutes, giving you my entry, saying that I'm right now into a nice trade. As you can see, my video was posted I think 24 hours ago right now, after spending lots and lots of minutes and hours talking about it. Right now we had seen a good pump on Bitcoin right now. So right now I'm going to explain to you guys what am I going to do with the trade, because obviously right now it is into 63% profit. However, I haven't yet decided to take any single profits off the table. I'm going to tell you exactly what I'm going to do next, and also I may have a new setup to short and long Bitcoin. But before I do that, guys, make sure that you always check the description down below, because right now, guys, if you want to excuse me for less than 10 seconds, we do have a nice and new exclusive offer for weeks. You literally get 10 to 100 bonus without even KYC. Weeks doesn't require KYC, but if you click on the link, you'll be able to get a bonus just for binding your phone number and email. And also, if you decide to deposit onto your account, you'll get $50 bonus if you deposit $100. But right now, let me also quickly right now give you the idea where's the closest support area where I might even get into an additional long, but also how may I actually turn my long into a new short setup. Because on a lower time frame, let's forget on the higher time frame, on the lower time frame, guys, I said, guys, that if we hold on into 82, the closest area or zone of resistance line is basically from 88.7 all the way to 91.2. Hence why right now I'm just focusing on this area. By the way, guys, I also do have a little maybe idea to get into a long. If we go lower to 84.4, we got the anchored view up and also a good amount of volume. So maybe also we got the Fibonacci golden pocket right now. So we have an idea to possibly thinking about trying to long again if we fall lower to 84.4. However, just to focus on the possibility of actually retracing and not being able to break this resistance line, I have an idea to short. So basically, if Bitcoin actually keeps on going, goes above the high that we put on Friday night, as you can see here at 88.1, then if you go actually above to 89 or even 90, I'll not do anything like at this area. If we go above this area, we have the Fibonacci, we got the value area high, and we also have this nice anchored view up taken from 97. So if you go to this area, if you go above the high that we put at Friday night, as you can see, at 88.1, and never going or retracing below it, obviously I'm going to decide not to open a long, but also not to short this area, because if we never go below, I'm expecting this area to turn into, if we reclaim it into support, I'm expecting a pump to 97. So if we go above 88 and never lose it, nothing to worry about. I won't be closing my long, and I'm also not going to short the market. However, and the most important thing is actually if we get a pump above 88, as you can see, but then we see a fail to hold, we see Bitcoin not being able to hold on into this high, as you can see. If we go back below 88 at say 87.8, obviously this area would maybe give me a nice execution for a trade. So obviously the reason to short would be this area. However, the execution would be only done once, or if we even go and lose 88, as you can see, this is the high I'm talking about on the 30-minute time frame. You see this high. If we go above it and then fail to hold on to it, we go back to 87.7, I might take a short. However, as I said, guys, if I never see a loss of 88, I'm never going to short it. So I have to wait right now for the 88 level to be hit to decide whether to take a short or wait for higher. And also I do have a little idea at 84.4 in case Bitcoin decides to go lower, maybe gives us a nice long before going higher. Just put an alert at 84.4 and put an alert on 88.5 and see what's going to happen. But for the time being, I'm still sticking on into both of my trades.